And welcome back to another successful YouTube video on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're learning the terminal basic commands, and it's the second part of the terminal basics series. We are learning 7 commands which are pretty basic, and you should probably know them because I use them pretty frequently, especially if you like to use the terminal more often than not. So let's not waste any more time and get started. I'm using Mac, so if you want to open the terminal, just use the keyboard shortcut command space, type in terminal, and I'm using here the fish command shell, not the born again shell. So the first command we're going to use is, let's see, is CP, which stands for copy. So we first need to type in the CP command, then the file name we want to copy, and the new file name we want. So let's check this out in action. First, let me go to the desktop, then check what other files I have. Let's make directory, which will be, let's call it part 2. cd into that directory, and it's empty of course because we just made it. So in order to use this command, we need to first create a file, file, which we'll call like this video. So create that file. As you can see, it's now in this part 2 folder, but let me just change the theme because you will probably see more clearly when I use this type of terminal. So let's do that again. See the desktop, go into part 2, and we have a file. So in order to copy this file, we need to cp name of this file and type in the name of the file, new file we like to make, which will be like this video. Please, if we press enter and type in ls1, we'll see that now we have copied the same file. Here again, we can actually also, we will actually come back to this later. So the second, we finished that. So the second command we need to learn is mv, which stands for move. And basically it's the same thing. You need to first of all type in the file name or the file you want to move and the path or to the new file location. So this, by the way, is also used to rename files. So let's see that in action. Here in the same folder, which is called part 2, we will rename the like this video please into something else by typing mv like this video 1, and then we'll need to type in the path to the new file location, or in this case, if you want to move the file in the same folder, actually to rename the file, we need to just type in the name again, the new name of the new file. So let's call it like this video 2.txt. Press enter, and we have a problem here. So I Probably messed up the name. We don't have like this video 1, but we have like this video please. So let's rename that to like this video 1. Press enter. Now the command executed, as you can see, because we had no errors like this one. Type in us, and then you'll see that now we have like this video 1 instead of like this video please. So that's done. Another thing you can do in the terminal is open files, which is simply using the open command and the name of the file you want to open. So if you want to open this file, you just type in open and the name of the file, press enter, and as you can see we have an empty text file opened from the terminal. Okay, so that's done. Also, I just now thought of another command you would probably want to know, which is cat, and also the format is cat and file name. So let's jump to this command since it's well connected with this one. Cat allows you to basically see the contents of a file. So if I again open like this video file and type in did you like this video, save it, and then we can see the contents like I said by using the cat command. So type in cat, the name of the file which you want to see the contents of, press enter, and there we go. Did you like this video? We have the contents of the file. So that is done. The next command, or actually we will leave this for last. The next command will be clear, which is pretty straightforward. There's no file name or anything. What this command does is just clears all of all the previous commands you have used. If you type in clear, everything goes back, clears out, or maybe it doesn't. I lied to you. Actually, the clear command doesn't clear everything. It just moves the commands above and gives you a free space to write on. So if you want to come back to these commands and check what output do they give you, etc., you can do that as well. The next two commands are actually pretty similar to one another. The first one is man command. Actually, yeah, man command. And the second one is help command. I'm using, as I previously said, the fish shell here. So if I type in help and some command which I'm not sure of, actually I didn't explain what these commands do. Is actually just help you and give you a brief overview of the command you type in here. So if you are unsure of what a certain command does, you can just type in man or help to get an overview. If I type in help cd, that's going to open in a actually in a browser and explain the command. As you can see, cd changes the current working directory. So that's the help command. The man command is similar but also different. If we use the man command actually gives us an explanation of the command inside of terminal instead of opening it in a browser. So this is the name of the command, and we have examples, description, etc. See, this is a simple command, so not much to explain there. But if we type in cd grep, we can see again some options we can use with this command, like -d, which specifies the demand action for directories, and a bunch more. So if you want to quit this window opened inside terminal, you just need to type in q, and there we go, we have successfully came back. And the last command we need to learn, actually we'll learn two more. The first one is cd dot, which just stands for, we have basically like learned this one but not used it yet. What cd dot does is just takes you one place or navigates backwards. For example, we're now in the part 2 folder, and if I type in cd dot two dots, I will move forward or navigate forward to the desktop folder. So that is the the last command we need to use is remove -r, uppercase R. This command, what it does is it allows you to remove directories, but it allows you to remove nested directories. So if you have a bunch of files and folders, etc. in a folder, you can remove it. I think -r stands for remove recursively. So if I, for example, try to remove directory, and if I try to remove part 2, I will not succeed because directory is not empty. And but if I use remove -r and then part 2, as you can see, the command executed, and now if I see, we have successfully deleted the folder part 2 because we deleted everything in it. Because we needed to use this command because the directory was not empty. So my Mac is running low. What that means is this video is ended. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.